Hi everyone, my name is Zibendhu Dash and welcome to my channel. And this video is about how to prepare for organic chemistry for board exam or JEE, maybe whatever. If you are studying organic chemistry and you're struggling, you are not an exception. Everyone struggles in organic chemistry. Even I also struggled in organic chemistry, but one trick. Okay, so let me tell you one secret that is gonna boost your organic chemistry preparation during these days. So are you interested? So keep watching this video till the end so that you get to know about that tips. So don't miss out this video. I'm gonna explain the total secret how to prepare for organic chemistry especially so that you could score the most outcome out of the organic section. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, and if this video seems interesting, please like this video and let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you need to know about that organic chemistry has a sequence. You can't skip a topic and go to the next topic. If you have missed haloalkane and haloaridine, then you can't go to the next chapter alcohol, and you can't skip it to acid and ketone. You can't do that. You have to maintain a sequence. You have to first you need to know about GOC, then you need to know about haloaridine, haloaridines and biomolecules, so on, and then you need to go to the higher section like alcohol, ether and acid and so on. So whenever you are, and my second tip is, whenever you are studying something, you need to note down all those things. You just need to copy. Whenever you are writing something, your hand and your brain are, you are having two sense of organ, eye and hand, in a same thing that is gonna put more efforts, and you are getting so much out of it. So keep copying and those reactions on your notebook so that you get like a, it keeps you concentrated to that topic. So keep following that. And my next suggestion would be, you should make a mind map. Like if some topic is related to haloaridine, is also related to alcohol and is also related to acids and so on, you can make a mind map between them. Like if you are practicing some chain reactions, like make a product from this, and then from this you have to make another product. Like those questions come in boards and in JEE, so but you need to practice making mind maps so that you can definitely crack those. Like you need to know about all those concepts, and you have to know that skill how to precise all those concepts into a single paper, or you can make a mind map. If you are having some books where mind maps are provided, you are lucky enough and you can go through all them and you can make your own. If you are like, whatever, you are making something from benzene or from alcohol or benzone, whatever, you are making something from that, and then you put some reagents to that and you make another product. So there is a chain reaction going on, so you can make a chain about all those things and like a mind map. So you should definitely follow those tips to score high in organic chemistry. And organic chemistry is not a tough subject, I would rather say, but it's not an easy to deal with. You have to practice every day a little bit. If you are like, it seems to be boring at first, but whenever you are doing it for at least 7 to 10 days, it would seem interesting to you. Whenever you are scoring high in organic chemistry, it's easy to score a good marks in chemistry, because inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry is way better easy than organic chemistry. So I would rather suggest you to focus more on organic chemistry, and organic chemistry is not an tough subject, I would rather say. So keep following those tips. I definitely know that you are gonna score a high marks in chemistry. So keep watching Dibyendu Dash and stay subscribed and share this video with your friends so that they can know about that, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye.